Hello everyone, it's just a Dad. Today I'm gonna do a review on this Yaheetech folding chair. So let's unfold it. All right. Now I do like that it locks down here. Make sure you hear that little click whenever you unfold it. That means it's locked into place. Now it's got a little springy action to it. It rocks. It's got this little storage container. Now this one is a little firm. I don't feel like I sink down into it. I'm tilted a little bit back, but not too bad. And I can rock in it. Now let's see when I fold it up. Now I do like that it has this pillow that goes up and down. And again, it's got this little pouch. But now I need to fold it up. So we're gonna concentrate right here. We're gonna lift this red tab and now I can start folding it. And there is a lock. When I get it all the way up, I can lock it. Now I can take it with me. I can carry it. And then when I wanna get it out, just do that. Undo it and you'll hear a click. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.